And welcome to break 1216 for the 2018-19 Hit Parade autographed official game puck. I want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. Current date and time according to eBay is Tuesday, October 29th, 2019. It's 10:22 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:22 p.m. Central Time, and 7:22 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Sink, 6 spots. Eric 1, Camaro 4, Eeyore Mule 1, BSBR 1, Bryant 1, Blues with 4, and Cod Gavitt with 13 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Sink on top, Cod on the bottom once, twice, 3 times 4, 5, 6, and the lucky number 7 has Caught on top. Sink on the bottom. Alright, Cod has the Ducks, BSBR Coyotes, Cod Bruins, Sink Sabres, Cod Flames, Camaro with the Hurricanes, Cod Blackhawks, Camaro Avalanche, Blue Jackets, Eeyore Mule Stars, Cod Red Wings, Oilers, Panthers, Blues Kings, Cod Wild, Sink Canadians, Blues with the Predators and Devils, Cod Islanders, Camaro Rangers, Eric with the Senators, Blues with the Flyers, Cod with the Penguins, Bryant Blues, Cod Sharks, Lightning, Sink, Maple Leafs, Canucks, Cod Golden Knights, and last but not least, Sink has the Capitals and Winnipeg Jets. Okay. So, here we are. We are sealed up. And seal number 1, number 2, and we will have the come on now. And we will have the Florida Panthers official game puck. Roberto Luongo. Recently retired Roberto Luongo. Florida Panthers. Very nice. Very cool official game puck of Roberto Luongo for the Florida Panthers. And the Florida Panthers will go to Cod Gavitt. Congrats on the Roberto Luongo break 1216 for the 2018-19 Hit Parade autographed official game puck. I want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media, Twitter and Instagram. And our eBay store is P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in bonus 33. And right after that, we'll have break 1219 for the 2019 Leaf Valiant football box. Thanks.